First go to TikTok, go to the search bar and search keywords in your niche. Find videos that got lots of views, take the idea and recreate the same video within 5 minutes. If it is faceless, it's gonna take even less. Step 2. Create all the videos within the app. Always create the videos within the native editor. It is very good right now, it has lots of features and the algorithm loves it when you do it. It always favors this type of videos. One video I made with Premiere Pro got 10 views and the same video I made with TikTok got 100k views. Step 3. Use photo posts. Photo posts are the way to go on TikTok. They always get crazy views. If your account is fresh and you upload a video and then a photo post, you'll see that almost every time the photo post will get more views and more engagement. It can be just a picture and a question, nothing else. If you're in the sneakers niche, guess what is your favorite sneaker? Parentheses, probably Nike sneakers. And it's done, you're viral. Step 4. Use a few generic and viral hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag FY, and 2 or 3 specific hashtags. Hashtag Nike sneakers, preferably less viral hashtags, but specific. Step 5. Utilize SEO. Most of Gen Z uses TikTok instead of Google to search for anything. So always put keywords in there, especially if you are in an educational niche or you do tutorial type videos, people are gonna search for it. Or for example, now World War III is trending. If you post something about that, put it in the caption, put it in the hashtags, put it in the title, put it as a caption within the video. If you do all of this, you're gonna go viral within 3 days. I can guarantee that. If not, I'm gonna give you the minutes you wasted watching this video back. Make sure to like and subscribe. More knowledge is coming. See you around, brother.